Guys, injani? Hayi kabi, kodwa ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi nisenayo yini load shedding lapha eSouth Africa? Maye mina ngikho shem. Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi kusayile yanto le yakudala noma sekwashintsha mhlawumbe.
If there's one thing engijabulisayo guys ukuthi ngihamba nje ngithi ngiyidrivela ngivele ngibona amantombazane sengilunguza ngewindi ngicabanga ukuthi uba lo mfana lona or lo guy lo ushayela imoto right kanje kanti umina child umina khondoda la umina msanje lokho nibona ngigopole emawindini.
Ya maxoki ngizogiva nena-ke namhlanje ngizothetha la maxoki lawo ukuthi kuyo yonke lento eyenzakalayo baku-comment section. Awu ngaze ngamdabukela, awu I feel sorry for him, I feel sorry for her, awu I can only imagine what she's going through, awu ukuthi nokuthi udabukela isela elintshontshela mina nawe. Sixakekile guys njengendle emnyama and iyona into engididayo ukuthi sixakekile njengendle emnyama kwenziwa yonke lemisebenzi ukuthi kulungiswe izwe lilungiselwa mina nawe. Kodwa uwe owokuqala phambili othi kulabo abantu abazama ukuthi balungise izwe phinda ugxeke lapho. Angazi noma yikho yini understanding ye-impact of corruption ne-crime. Abana abantu mabe beba imali ama-state funds that are funded by taxpayers. Yazi ukuthi kubhlungu kanjani guys, usebenza blood, sweat and tears kuphuma i-tax engakobonayo ukuthi yazi le imali engiyisebenzelile leyo ngabe kukhule ngikwenza ngale mali, hambe i-tax ngoba kuthiwa kuyowenziwa ukuthi nokuthi abantu bafike bayebe leyo mali. Imigaqo nama-pothole, ushaya i-pothole wena uclaim kwi-insurance inyuka i-premium yakho noma mongena insurance ulungisa isondo 4 times a year. Imali ephuma kwiphakethe lakho additionally because khona webile i-state fund. Ugesi uyabiza, awu afford ugesi, endlini uyathetha ucima ugesi, ucima amagiza uyikhanyise, uthenga ogiza timer, wenza ini, imali ephuma ephaketheni lakho because khona umuntu owebile. Ngitshele ke mina, food is expensive. Food is expensive ngoba somewhere somehow kukhona umuntu owenza ukuphambana, weba waganga wenza njani wenza, awu afford ngisho. Uyabala unebudget ukuthi efanele ngenze ngithenga ukuthi ngingakuthenga inyama ukuthi angisayithenga ini angisayidli. Petrol uyabiza. Khona umuntu owebile wangenza okulungile. Ingane ema-public school mhlawumbe ngoba abantu ngoba ingane zabo ifunda ema-private school, ingane ema-public school kakhulukazi kulezi indawo ezisemakhaya nani ezinhlelo azina incwadi, azina amapensela, azina indlu yokufunda iclass nje lokuthi lifunde kunedesk kunani konke i-right to education abanakho ngoba khona owebile. Uyayizwa into engishoyo? Yonke, you will feel and you will pay the price for corruption for umuntu owebile. So I don't understand wena usudabukela isela noma mhlambe khona into ekutshelayo ukuthi mawulidabukela one day yothi mase se right uzobuya kubonge ngesamba sa 100,000 kanjani. Uba wena kuyena ebetshontshele wena. Kunabantu kunale lekade ikhulunyiwe i-fraud ne-corruption ehlangene nesibhedlela unila leli into, kunabantu abagula abashona ngoba khona umuntu oweba, khona umuntu owenza ukuphambana nokwenza wayicabangela yena. Yes, yini la uSis Jacinta enza umsebenzi nani ukuthi abantu abangekho la ngokomthetho baphindele emakubo ukuze nathi sizokwazi ukuphila, ukuze izingane zizokwazi ukuthi ingene esikoleni, eclinic uzokwazi ukuthi mawufika eclinic unakwe emtholampilo. Mawufika esibhedlela epublic hospital uyazi ukuthi epublic hospital kuyi nightmare kanjani, uhlale lapha ebhenchini abanye baze bashone benga-athendiwe. Phela onesi nje nize nithi onesi baneyinhliziyo ezimbi banjanjani. Onesi bakhathele ngoba manje basebenza ngokungekho, akukho mithi, akukho medication, akukho staff, akukho equipment, akukho lutho. Ukweba khona umuntu owebile wangenza kahle wenza ukuphambene nokwenza ngalakade fanele akwenze. Lo webileke yena-ke uhlala in a gated estate, uhamba ngemoto, iy'ngane ey'funda e-private school, akanakho nje ukuthi uyapatanisa. No. Awusebenzi, uhola igrant, msebenzi awutholi. Uhambile wayofunda wathola i-degree, wathola i-diploma, wathola i-certificate, umsebenzi awutholi, noma mawuthola uhola imali encane. Khona umuntu oweba wantshontshela mina nawe. Ifemicide nje iphezulu kangaka, abantu abasebenzi, abanamali, bakhiphela isibhongo kumuntu wesifazane. Khona umuntu oweba, khona umuntu owenza okuphambene nokwenza. Bantu indle emnyama guys icindezelekile, singaphansi. Inkulu progress efanga ngabe thina sayenza in that about 30 years noma ubani democracy noma sekuwu 40 years manje. Kukhulu ekufana ngabe sesikuzuzile njengendle emnyama. Ngabe fanga ngabe we in a better place, but we've gone 10 steps back. Ngobani? Khona umuntu oweba. Ubaba uMkhwanazi, he's defied many, gone over and above ukulungisa izwe. Nyamjabulela kodwa ubaba uMkhwanazi, kodwa nangala futhi niphinde niyadabuka. Oh no, I feel sorry kanje. Udabukela kanjani isela elintshontshela mina nawe, elicindezela mina nawe? Umuntu onjalo ahlukile nomuntu ofika angene endlini akhombe esibamadubule ufe. Ngoba ukuthatha ukukhipha isinkwa la emlomeni. Phuca isinkwa lowo muntu. Guys, sino depression, sino anxiety, sihamba oma therapy, siphuza amaphilisi, senze njani because we are stressed. We are fighting to survive. Ngoba khona umuntu oweba, khona umuntu owenza okuphambene nokwenza. Angazi ukuthi sifo sini lesi esiphethe indle emnyama, kodwa nalo owasiloya wasifaka ibula, awu naloyo nje mhlawumbe uphile eMauritius manje uyasibuka uyahleka. Ingakho kuthiwa hambanye esikoleni nizofunda i-critical thinking, ngoba le eniyenza manje no. Ngingangitshela futhi ngobuntu, because ubuntu ni apply into wrong. Ubuntu ufanga uthanda umakhelwane wakho, fanga uthanda izingane zakini, fanga kodwa umakhelwane wakho uyamzonda, nexabana inubani uphakeme wenze njani waneka ngala esontweni kunabantu ongabathandi khona umuntu kodwa uyikhole eliqavile. Ingane zakini fanga bizona oyithanda, awuyitshengisa ubuntu, kodwa la ngafune khona ilawo hamba phambili khona nobuntu. No guys, no. Guys, impact ye corruption, impact ye crime. Uyazi ukuthi uma uthenga umuzi, ukhokha i-insurance. I-insurance household contents because kunabantu abantshontshayo abebayo, ngaze bahle bangene endlini yakho bakutshontshele. Uphinde lapho ufaki i-alarm system, because why? Khona umuntu ozokutshontshela. There is, you bear the cost of crime, you bear the cost of corruption, some way or another. So don't think just because umuntu weba imali kuleya department noma kuleya in and think it doesn't affect you. It does affect you, because your life is the way it is right now because of that person. If there was no corruption, ngabe sonke singcono, but actually nami ngiyayisholo nje because vele i-capitalism injalo, it creates a hierarchy. Fanele kube khona umuntu owinayo, fanele kube khona umuntu oluzayo. Kodwa nje indle emnyama singaphansi, ngicela niyiqoqeni, nike nivule umqondo. Njengamanje kuyasetshenzwa kulungiswa izwe, lilungiselwa mina nawe. Awumusa ke wena ukuba uJudas Iscariot ufuna ukuthi yena sisebenzele emumva. Please, sengiqedile ukuthetha.
Sebeyitapile imali engasiyoni yabo bayitapa ilungile. Yini emenza umuntu abe nemizi ebu 17? hayi siyabona utapile kulungile usutapileke yini enza umuntu abe nemizi 17 athenga ihashi ngemali etapiwe ayi nitapa raf nani
No wonder ugesi wena lokhu yazi no wonder ugesi uthenga ugesi ka 200 ubuye nama units awu 10 no wonder ngitshela kuthengwa ama BM ngemali yethu yagesi kuthengwa ama BM because uphuma kanjani ku 250 uye ku 50000 ifika kanjani i-accumulation lapho i-relation to the accumulation is a how ufika kanjani ekuthenini guys ngeke angikwazi ukuthi ngifaka ugesi mina every day ka 200 babulaleni mababulawe please and thank you.
I'm gonna say something to you. I need you to stay with me. After you hear this, your bird is gonna say, nah, she's lying. She's not lying. Okay, let's go. The person who's being investigated by the SIU right now, and they are repossessing some of his assets to try to recoup some funds that were stolen. They were stolen from Eskom. I get. They allegedly may or may not have stolen 17 million rands from Eskom, I think, or 76 million rands. I should check that. Anyway, and they were allegedly would do things like they would say they would charge 50,000 rands for a relay, and relays cost 180 rands. I don't know what a relay is, but 180 versus 50,000 rands. Anyway, they're stealing from where? From Eskom. Okay, Eskom. This man has a baddie wife. She makes like luxury rich wife content here on TikTok or WhatsApp or Instagram or wherever. I get it. And there's a video of her that I just saw now. She was on the beach. She's on an exotic beach somewhere, and she makes a video and she says, she looks in the camera and she says, how's it going there in South Africa, you guys? Do you guys still have load shedding? I can't relate because I'm in a different country. Okay, let's go back. Where are we? Her husband is stealing from where? Eskom. Eskom. She's making fun of Iggy. Load shed. Why do we have load shedding? Why do we have load shedding? We have load shedding for a number of reasons. One of which is funds are not being spent accordingly, allegedly. By who? Her husband, allegedly. She's on a beach making fun of load shedding. Okay? Self. I'm sorry. I couldn't believe it. I saw the video, I couldn't believe it. It's not even funny. Maybe at the time, maybe her followers are like, oh my gosh, babe, you go out there, you enjoy the luxury. You enjoy, yeah, we're in South Africa, we're suffering. And I can tell me when she posted that video. But you remember there was a time when load shedding was load shedding hard, like, we had to go new stages. But at least I did new stage. I hope you enjoy your go. Could never be me. Live safety. It's you talking about China allegedly. Gary little Gratosiwa. Ibe South Africa, hey.
Hayibo. Ngithi angizocheck ukuthi mina noba abangakaboshwa. This whole time we've been putting pressure on ourselves because we thought we failed at this life thing. And we thought we're not doing enough. Can't you know? We are just not corrupt. Sine morals sana our into shaya njengamanje mina na ukuthi sinama morals. Hey. Niyakhumbula kusathiwa no guys. Usibarweni bought me a horse for Christmas. Hi bo. Now it makes sense. Thina sihlale bomnyameni. Ngaleza ikathi lo shedding isashaya kakhulu. Akuphelanga lapho sathi masifaka ugesi ka 100 rand kuphume u4 units. Kanti oh Mkhwanazi my dear, you do not know what you've done on July 6th 2024. Angazi kuyosala mina nobani koshaya uDecember sesiba u2 eSouth Africa. Hayi sivuka sibabaza.
Bafazi kubi. Mina uda nganitshela ke. It looks like you're going to have to settle for that 3-bedroom townhouse, that BMW 3 Series, and that one and that yearly trip to Durban. Yeah, amadoda igebengu. Amadoda igebengu. You just be content. And mina ngasho ngihlezi ngisho, marry your peers, marry working professionals, like marry people you went to university with, or people who went to university and have actual jobs. Yeah, I get entrepreneurship, but bafaz, be careful, because amadoda zigebengu, amadoda ayigebengu. Mengawuni corruption igazi labantu, kubulawa abantu. So nje bafazi, just be content. Yeah. Marry your peers. Yekelani nje lamadoda, wayekeni. Wayekeni ngeke. Bamndabe ungalali kushubile. Bamndabe ungalali kushubile. Bamndabe angalali kushubile kakhulu. Hey, washuba shembe. Hey, ama role model enu adla imali yethu. Angizwa ngithini? Adla imali yethu. And when people ask, what does so and so do for a living? Many sina role model enu. Ebese nina nithi cleanse your hearts. Uzothakatha. Kusho nina. Because the role model enjani le ngasebenzi. Role model enjani le ngasebenzi. Cleanse your heart. Uzoloya wena. They're asking real questions. Like, where does the wealth come from? So lawyer, uyathaka ama role model enu adla imali yethu. Imali yethu phela. Ngeke ukuthi uthi into i180. 180 rand bese uthi wena 50,000 iyodwa. What kind of corruption is this? Yo, that's another. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Nibe grand, nibe sharp. By the way, you guys, coming from someone who has done forensic investigations, those are not just allegations. They are allegations before they are taken for investigations. They are allegations before a report is out. These are proven irregularities. This is proven corruption. I don't want you guys to one day be confused and say, oh no, but it's not allegations. It is all in the report. The evidence is there. It's just a matter of pressing charges. Even if the charges are not pressed, guys, there's been many instances where my charges are not laid on against particular individuals, but there is evidence. There are forensic investigations that have been done. There are reports that have provided conclusive evidence. I don't want you guys to say, oh, it was just allegations. It was just allegations. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not just allegations. It's proven corruption. So that's not done. It's proven corruption. It has been investigated. Even if it's not investigated by SIU, even if they were to hire other people, independent forensic investigators, they would still find the same thing. When it comes to tender irregularities and corruption, there, it's so easy to prove. It's so easy to prove because everything is documented, and what is not documented clearly indicates that it's corruption. It's so easy to prove these things, just that people pay like turn a blind eye because they are scared or others are eating. It's easy to prove tender irregularities, and we don't want to say, and I don't want to hear someone saying, oh, they're against black people. No, it's not. It's corruption. It is just corruption, and it happens with all races. It's corruption. Oh, black excellence. No, it's not black excellence. We know black excellence, and this is not black excellence. This is corruption.
And you guys, le hore re doubt Jehovah sometimes. Re nahana hore Modimo o na le di favorite. Kanti no man, le na la utswa man, or le be successful. La utswa man.
Sana, who is genuinely married into wealth? Who grew up in genuine wealth in South Africa? Because what do you mean everyone is corrupt? Everyone that I grew up looking up to, or the ones that I've recently looked up to, everyone corruption. Who is genuinely from wealth and honest living? Hayibo. Kanti South Africa ngobani aba-wealthy?
Guys, I'm one person who doesn't entertain le ndaba zokuthi kuboshwe bani namhlanje nebag yase-Woolworths kwayenzani. Ngiyazibona, but I don't entertain them. But today, cause ngizwa igama le-Eskom, hayi lapho ngiyathinteka, because now thina sisivela labantu bama-properties $71,000. Yiko manje sesithenga igesi ye-500 kube ama-units ayi-20. Ibuhlungu indaba yale gesi, ibuhlungu indaba yale gesi, just so you know. Sisifela thina nje into ezingazazi. Ne? Yabona April 8 and left no crumbs jam.
Ngithemba ukuthi niphilile. This video is it might make me unpopular, but anginendaba vele sonke siyahlupheka. Uyazi ukuthi kunento angazi noma if this is just my own experience with guys with the recent events, abantu bebanjwa beboshelwa their luxurious lifestyles nan. If there is one thing efikile emoyeni wami ukuthi la eSouth Africa sinezigebengu, and igebengu esinazo la eSouth Africa, I don't know if I'm being delusional yini uma ngithi azifani lezi igebengu esinazo. There are levels to these thieves noma these so-called politicians, ngoba kuyacaca ukuthi every time we elect someone into power vele sizofaka isigebengu, but webafowethu saze silambisa lezi igebengu esifake manje, saze salamba, saze sahlupheka, saze sasha, saze salamba, saze sahlupheka. Uyazi ukuthi ngikhumbula, I don't know if vele yini ngine-nostalgia from igebengu lezi zokuqala noma lezi eyiphumile. Bafowethu kwakudliwa kuleza gebengu ngale kokuthi yebo vele recession, cost of living, but wegayizini kwakudliwa kuleza gebengu. Bafowethu from Eskom to the cost of electricity, yonke into irigiwe. Uyazi ukuthi I remember ukuthi kusaphethe i-administration kaloya baba wokuqala. Uniyakhumbula yini ukuthi auditor general report, the AD's report, ukuthi yayipublicizwa, sasiwazi ama-million alahlekile nama-billion alahlekile. Do you realize ukuthi since kungene ubaba lona ama-million asemaningi kakhulu to a degree ukuthi ayisapublicizwa, ngisho publicizwa empeleni noma communicator ebambe conference umama uTsekani enza izinto, but imedia no longer even catches on ukuthi i-report siphumile. Imali eyintshontshiwe under le administrator kaubaba osoma business okwathiwa ngeke asintshontshele ngoba kwathi uyontshontsha kangcono ngoba unemali already. Bafowethu uqothe imbokodo nesisekelo silambile. I just saw an article eveza ama-social worker emeko line. Guyzini ingane esikolweni, uNSFAS is underfunded. Usisi wami omncane usebenza esibhedlela iNgwelezane. It's one of the biggest regional public hospitals ngale yangakithi KZN. Engelezane guyzini uthi umntase badidizela nama-patient files kushone ilanga. Uhead of dispensary, uhead of pharmacy, ufisa ukukhipha imali ephaketheni lakhe athengele abantu imithi iphelile. Asina mithi, asina lutho ezibhedlela. Emaklinika abantu bayajikiswa ngenxa yokuthini imithi ayikho. Can you imagine where hospitals are underfunded, education is underfunded, izikole zabantwana abakhubazekile, ama-special needs schools are underfunded and they are closing. Bafowethu kanti loya baba wayentshontsha ekuqaleni wayentshontsha kanjani? Uma wayentshontsha kodwa izwe lali still functional. Uma uyazi ukuthi even the slay queen culture is slowly dying. Ilay queen eSouth Africa mhlambe ezintathu ezisamile. But uma ukuthi you remember ngalesa isikhathi thina ke sasihlala eThekwini, ngisho our ordinary friends baba maslay queen babedla amabhodlela namamo. Loya baba wayentshontsha kanjani la khona where imali yayibonakala in the black community? Lona untshontshe ngalendlela ukuthi the haves and the have-nots in our communities kune gap enkulu. The money is not trickling down. Ayifike ebantwini le mali. Kuphele ngisho somathenda kuphele bani? Sekuselo somathenda about 3 noma about 4 in our communities. And this is not me promoting a corruption. And I know what this thing is gonna rub a lot of people the wrong way. But iqiniso lithi, imali must trickle down. Even though it cannot trickle down to me specifically. But iqiniso lithi imali fanele ibonakale in our communities. La asaboni lutho. Asiboni lutho. Empeleni imali siyibona kuma Slay Queen awu3 ashintshana ngendoda eyodwa la ku Instagram nala kwa TikTok. What do you mean? Untshontsha kanjani lo baba kanti yena to a degree la khona ugesi ubiza 10 times or 18 times or 20 times what it's supposed to cost. Nothing is making sense, nothing is functional. Yonke into iyaphuka, public infrastructure kuphuke yonke into. And funny how we administrator kaloya baba wokuqala wayentshontsha yayinanegama ukuthi izinto they are debilitated. But this time around, where guys, it's stuck different. The gap between the haves and the have-nots, it's so wide. Ufundila ufundang uyahlupheka. Uyasebenza uyahlupheka. How much do South Africans need to earn in order for them to live well? Fanele bahole mali nabantu South Africa. With the interest rate that's constantly going up, housing is constantly going up. Ayikho into South Africa abantu abayi-affordayo. Uyalu match eThekwini ulwa nendaba yama foreign nationals ane capital of infiltrator idolobha lonke ase owner everything in South Africa. South Africans don't have money ngisho yama tax shop. And the administration imedia ithule ngayo. Wathi uthandisa izisu zithe nca emqolo kuthiwa masihluthe ivote. And cha sihlutha lona kwangempela. Uyazi ukuthi le administration imedia yayine scrutiny yonke into yayibalwa lana kuthule kuthe do there's not even a name to describe the crimes and the atrocity nokuntshontshwa okwenziwa kule administration and ukuntshontsha kwakhona ku 10 times worse. I think as South African kune reality ofanele siyiconfront futhi siyamkele ukuthi ipolitiki nabantu esibafaka eParliament sisuke shintsha igebengu. But le cha ngiyabonga mina hayi ngiright bafowethu nibe nosuku oluhle.
If there's one thing that the Madlanga Commission is teaching us ukuthi sometimes into yomuntu ongayazi ukuthi uyithole kanjani ungabe uyihalela. My mom used to say mangisakhula, I don't come from a wealthy family, so sometimes uzobuya esikoleni ubani bani bamthengele i250 bamthengele i500 bamthengele ini. You'll know these phones if you grew up around boma 2006-7 khona lapho. And my mom would say, you know your situation at home. I'm barely making it by paying that school fees in that specific school. But whatever those other kids have, I don't necessarily have, because she didn't mean it in a bad way, they corrupt or whatever, but also she didn't know. She just used to tell me, listen, you don't know what people are doing in order for them to afford that kind of lifestyle. So because mina, I've got a normal lifestyle, I sometimes can't afford lezo zinto lezo for a minor njengawe. You know what I mean? So Tina, sine adult peer pressure. Sibona abantu bepostile amajiwe konani. So uyayifuna. I was buzzing and good, okay, gona ngiyambona yena wenza content la. Mara umsebenzi wakhe wa 9 to 5 yini? Or business yakhe yini? Yini avuka yenze everyday. Mina ngiyahamba ngivuke ngiyobhekana nama spreadsheets and whatever else is in my KPIs. Yena makavuka ekseni yini le ayenza emgeneratela imali engaka. Ubuye uthini ithi ngiphume indaba enzabantu ngoba azingifuni. Imadlanga isibuyisela back kulo mqondo ukuthi sometimes izinto ezikude kunawo phuma kuzo ngoba awazi labantu ukuthi bazithola kanjani lezi zinto. Iba content nalempilo wena oyiaffordayo.
So, in light of this entire SIU matter, I have two things that I want to get off my chest. One is that Mnangimzweli Liamfazi Leomhlope, because she once came on Tyler's internet and posted a video bragging about the fact that South Africa was experiencing load shedding, knowing very well that she was a beneficiary of that corruption that involved the Eskom. Two, I also have to say the people that enjoy commenting under those videos to say, oh, mommy, oh, have a beautiful trip, oh, daddy, oh, whatever, when things are posted, and you know, ukuthi nje, khona nje umshikashika, because most of us can honestly read between the lines, ukuthi khona nje, into of ella, nina, ningama accomplice, because one thing about you guys is that la, we're empty. Because in your comment are not realizing that a lot of this corruption actually affects you guys. It affects a lot of your family members. And the only thing it do mala, ama luxury cars, ama holiday, ikwama is durayo, instead of actually thinking, instead of actually reading. And here we are. So you guys are actually accomplices, because if anything, the people that you guys are actually hyping up end up applying pressure, because oh, okay, cool. If these people are fangirling over the things that I have, I need to basically push for more, right? And so lo muntu yo apply pressure ndodeni yakhe athi baba ngicela ungithengele iLamborghini Urus or whatever the case is, because they enjoy the love, they enjoy the fangirling that you guys actually give them. And what does that do? It actually promotes or way mali and everything else. So nani nje anikho msulwa nina abo mommy.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Taxpayers are crying emva kokuthi uSiyabonga Nkosi, which is Leleti Nkosi's husband, exposed ukuthi ukweleta imali enganga 79 meter lebeka ijontshele Eskom, uthenge ama-apartment, ibhodi, incumbeti, imoto ngemali Eskom. Bantu bayakhala ukuthi idura kangaka nje igezi. It's because of him. And nangokuthi kunama videos alelidi labekenda khona inhlekisa ngokuthi akekho yena overseas eSouth Africa basenayo yini load shedding, abati kahle ukuthi umuntu wakhe ulutha imali ya Eskom. People are saying ukuthi it's not fair because bona they are paying tax, bantu bayidle nje imali ebutsebu. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.